At the time of recording, XLM Stellar is valued at 14 cents per coin. If you buy 12,000 units of XLM for $1,680 in the current market, you can possibly make $180,000 by 2025 based on projected market dynamics. Please note that this is not financial advice. Take your time to do your research before investing in any crypto suggestion you get on this channel. XLM is one in a growing line of crypto projects that is now targeting the use of blockchain technology to solve some of the problems inherent in the traditional finance system. We're not galling about decentralized finance infrastructures with cryptocurrencies, but cryptocurrencies for solving fiat currency transfer problems like the US dollar, the pounds, the euro, and other national currencies. This is the application of cryptocurrencies to cross-border money transfers and foreign exchange. It majors solely on the provision of a cheaper and faster cross-border payment. Since its inception, the XLM token has settled into a new aspect of the crypto market, primarily dominated by Ripple XRP since 2014, making it one of the earliest cryptocurrencies that offer actual use cases after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Stellar Lumen token, XLM, had a good start on July 30th, 2014 with seeding funding of about $3 million from Stripe and an early listing by Brazilian exchange Mercedes Bitcoin. These partnerships helped the coin quickly reach a market capitalization of about $15 million in less than a year, despite being valued at a couple of zeros below 1 cent. It has grown in leaps and bounds, with the circulating supply of 28.34 billion XLM out of the available maximum supply of about 50 billion, which remains from its original total supply of about 100 billion. Having survived quite the scare in the 2022 bear market, with many investors being worried that the price of XLM would drop to 0.301 per token, 2023 appears to be ushering in a change in the winds of not just XLM's price chart, but the entire crypto market. It has grown by at least 180% in 2023 after enduring over a year of one of the worst crypto bearish markets since Bitcoin's infamous debut in 2009. Having survived the crypto crash of late 2018 and persisted around an all-time low price of about 0.30476 in 2019. We saw signs of improvement when Bitcoin began its remarkable run toward $25,000 in 2020. However, that was not the only reason XLM experienced significant growth that year. In December 2020, the news hit the crypto market that XLM's direct rival in the crypto market, Ripple XRP, had gotten in trouble with the Securities and Exchange Commission over whether it was an illegal security or a decentralized asset. The negative sentiment that hit XRP ultimately favored XLM. We saw it cross out some zeros from early 2021. It crossed the 10-cent mark in no time after building up on its performance in 2020, as more buyers are attracted to the XLM following the abandonment of the XRP market by many investors. Through the worst of the 2022 bear market, Stellar Lumens traded mostly between 0.07 and 29 cents, and by the end of the year, it traded at around 7 cents. It was a shadow of its royal self from the lofty price it had set at 79 cents per token at its peak in 2021. This is still below its all-time high of about 0.87 recording during the crypto boom early in 2018. There have been a couple of rallies since, but none has proven enough to get the coin to trade at its all-time high. As things stand, XLM is recovering along with other credible cryptocurrencies in the overall market slump. Early in 2022, the coin ascended to 25 cents, and if you had bought 12,000 XLM at its price of 7 cents with $870 earlier this year, you would have had a portfolio worth $3,000 around March 2021. 2022. However, the price would endure a prolonged drop in 10 cents in May when Terra Luna caused a major upset in the crypto market. In 2023, the coin has grown to great lengths already in the market to recover some ground by reaching a year-to-year high of about 0.197. It maintained this price until it dropped to its current price level of about 0.14. This was the beginning of highly bullish expectations for the coin. At the start of the year, there were several spectacular predictions turned out by market expectations, and the most realistic one appears to be that of projections that the coin could reach 50 cents by the end of 2023, with a stringent condition. The ongoing case between Ripple XRP and the SEC is expected to play a great part in the value of XLM, and even without the help of a market-wide bull run. Other experts think that there's a very strong chance for the coin to reach $1 in 2023, bringing the value of 12,000 XLM to $12,000 from an expenditure of about $1,680 at the current market price. The coin's position at nearly 20 cents brings it closer to 50 cents, though, and investors that buy in early could have their stock of $12,000 increase from the current buy-in price to $6,000. However, this only talks about its short-term market potential. With the strong bull run being encouraged by several positive developments in not just the wider crypto market, but upgrades to the utility of XLM, there's a good chance that a single XLM token will be worth at least $10 by 2025. The peak price expectation is $15 in a gradual value buildup. Price growth is the most significant factor that will contribute to Stellar Lumen's growth. It's perfectly poised as one of the top cryptocurrencies to watch as the 21st largest crypto by market cap with $3 billion, and this is bound to increase as adoption grows. The really utilizable cryptocurrencies in the market are constantly building remarkable use cases, and Stellar's not to be left behind. They're building its network to offer faster and much cheaper cross-border transactions than its competitors. In the future, it could adopt innovative smart contract technology to set it apart in decentralized finance. It will also help the network if there's room for development in its ecosystem, where creative developers can build more relevant financial products that ameliorate the challenges of the traditional finance systems in ways that the Stellar vision accommodates. As a result, it will become a more scalable and decentralized technology that can solve more real-world problems and become more used to businesses and global corporations' demand to trade with money across the globe. Some of the core projects that Stellar appears to be putting at the top of their lists include a set of wallet development tools that will allow devs to build wallets for the network, and the more people use XLM to pay gas fees, the more credence it gives to its price. The project is undergoing the development of Soroban. This smart contract platform will be integrated into the Stellar network, allowing users to trade in a secure and decentralized marketplace. Stellar's development team is also building a stronger infrastructure that can accommodate increased traffic, even as the coin attracts public attention for investment and use for cross-border fiat transactions. With all these in mind, your dreams of XLM reaching between $10 to $15, bringing your investment of 12,000 XLM to around $180,000 is not so far-fetched, barring unexpected market volatility.